أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله
أعوذ
من
بالله من
الشيطان
الشيطان الرجيم.
الرجيم
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم
بسم
الله
الله
الرحمن
الرحمن
الرحيم
الرحيم.
اللهم افتح علينا
اللهم
اللهم
افتح
افتح
علينا
علينا
حكمتك
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 وانشر علينا
وانشر
وانشر
علينا
علينا
رحمتك
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 يا ذا الجلال والإكرام.
يا
يا
ذا الجلال والإكرام.
الإكرام
رب زدني علما.
رب زدني علما.
رب زدني علما.
رب زدني علما.
إما
رب زدني علما. And now we go to our next point. Our next point, yawning. Your left hand, you use your left hand while you yawning. So you covered your mouth. You cover your mouth with the back of your left hand. Of your left hand. Understand now, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Shabash. Woman, which hand you use to cover your hand mouth?
The left hand.
The next point is this. A tried and trusted way of stopping yarn is to imagine in the heart that the Prophet alayhi salam never yarned. Understand? Understand?
Yes.
Need to try. We need to try to trusted way of stopping. सो हमें ये होना चाहिए कि हम किस तरीके से अपनी जमाई को हम जमाई कहते हैं ना उर्दू में हम अपनी यानिंग को अगर हमें आ रही है इफ देर इज नो बी वी कवर्ड आर इफ वी नॉट बी स्टॉप्ड so this is not good but we need to try to stop this yarn stop this yarn. It is to imagine in the heart that the Prophet alayhi salam never yarned because our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam not yarned. So that's why we need to be stopped. Try to stop this one. If this is impossible, if we are not be able to stop this, so we covered our mouth with the left hand back. With the left hand back. So now I am asking the questions and you give me the answer one by one. Be carefully. Ji, what is described in Hadith? Our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam stated what stated our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam about yawning? Ji, Zaheen beta, you give me answer.
Okay. So Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he tried and trusted way of stopping yawn is to imagine in the heart that the prophets never yawned.
Yes, but there is when a person yawns, so, so the shaitan, iblis, devil laughs that time. Okay? Our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam stated that shaitan laughs when we yawn. So the next, Aiza beta, you understand what our Prophet stated about yawning? Who's yawn?
Yeah.
Who's laughs?
Shaitan.
Tan. Zara beta, you understand beta? Who's laughs when we yawning?
Yes, the devil, Shaitan, he laughs.
Sab.
When we yawn.
Devil, shaitan laughs when a person yawns. Ji Foban beta,
Sorry, my mic
who's
wasn't working.
beta, what problem with your ID? Zara beta.
It's because my phone's broken, so my screen doesn't work properly.
Okay. So I ask you again. If a person yawns, so what is the stated about sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
If someone yawns, then Shaitan laughs.
Shabash. Shaitan laughed. Gee, in English we say that devil, okay? Shaitan in Arabic and in English devil. Gee, Poban beta.
G.
Beta, what our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam stated that whose laugh when we yawn?
Shaitan laughs.
Because he wanna go to inside of our body. So that's why he said he laughs. We are starting yarn and it's available. Now he go to inside and he disturb our body and he wants to. We didn't practice Allah. Uh, we didn't practice perform namaz, some good deeds. So all of these things he need to stop. So that's why he laughs. Ji, we go to now second person. What we need to do if we yarn? What we need to do? Isa,
G.
if we feel that we yarn, so what should we need to avoid this one? How we
Avoid.
avoid? Yeah,
Cover your mouth with back of your left hand.
shabash, shabash. As much as we need to uh, possible. Yeah, it's possible if we try to stop a yarn. So we do that. So we need to try them. Otherwise, sometimes we didn't feel that we going to be start yarn, and we not keep the left hand backside our in front of our mouth. So that's not good. As you feel the yarn starts, you need to cover your mouth. Okay, Koban beta. Beta, if you feel that you start yawn, so how you avoid this one?
So
What you do?
you have to like cover your mouth with the back of your left hand.
and
Um,
and as much as possible you try to avoid.
to avoid it.
Yeah, as much as possible you try to avoid yawn. See, Shiraz, mashallah, Shiraz joined the class. Shiraz beta,
Assalamu alaikum.
walaikum assalam. Shiraz beta, we'll discuss about yawning. You know
Okay.
that you are available in last week.
What?
You are you joined last week class.
I don't think I did.
Okay. What we need to do for avoid the yawn?
I already did that.
Yeah, but a little bit more explain. Only just this one because Shiraz, I don't think so. Shiraz joined the class last week, so maybe he's understand something.
So to stop yawning, just imagine that the prophets never yawned.
Hmm. And what we need to do? How we covered our mouth?
Uh, while yawning, cover your mouth with the back of your left hand.
Shabash. Shiraz, you understand, beta?
I think so. I
But
think it's if you don't
hmm,
yawn, if you don't want to yawn, then like just act like the what do you call it, the gods, like I mean the spirit, the angels did like yawn, and you cough with your left back like hand,
hmm.
and I
And our prophet, you know that what our prophet stated about yawn? Hmm?
no.
When a person is yawn, so what is this?
What?
Because our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam stated that when a person yawns, so whose laugh? Whose laugh? That guy
I didn't hear you that clearly. I'll just join and come back because I can't hear you that well.
left the class and join again. Oban, Beta, a tried and trusted way of stopping yawn is to imagine in the heart that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam Never yawned. Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah, shabash. Because if we trust and try to stop the yawn, so we need to trust ourselves in our heart because our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam never yawned. So that's why we try to as much as possible we don't yawn, and then inshallah the shaitan not go into our body and no overcome our soul. Okay. Shabash. So now we finished our class and read the last one. Subhanakallahumma
Subhanakallah.
Subhanakallah. Yes,
Subhanakallah.
wa bihamdika
وبحمدك
la
حمدك
ilaha
لا
La
إله
ilaha
illa
إلا
anta
إلا
illallah.
إلا أنت
astaghfiruka
أستغفرك
Astaghfirullah
wa atubu
wa atubu
وأتوب
ilayk.
إليك إليك
Okay, beta. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
الله حافظ